As it is World Nature Conservation Day, I want to ask you, what is nature? How will it be conserved? Nature is not that evening sun that you have recently clicked by your DSLR. Nature is one of the God's beautiful creation. Through nature, God is able to teach us, speak to us, and provide for us. According to the Holy Bible, God has created this whole world, and at last He made humans as far His best creation to rule over His all other creations and take care of them. But what are we actually doing? We are just exploiting it, that's it. One day, while I was going to my college, I started counting the trees between my home and college and found approx 4 or 5 trees, and out of all those trees, 3 were peepal tree. We all know that why peepal tree weren't cut down, because of some religious beliefs. Now think, if it wouldn't have been any religious belief involved, then I would have not even found those trees too. That was the moment when I literally felt that we are controlling the Patna's atmosphere. Now, let's talk about our India, which lies in the lap of the nature, shows the great diversities in climate, wildlife, trees, etc. धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला, ऐसा देश है मेरा. Really? We are obviously blessed by the nature, so it's our responsibility to take care of it wisely. It is also a belief that we all are made up of soil and its element. But why? After all, we are the God's best creation. He could have used golds, silvers, diamonds, or any other valuable things instead of using the soil. So why? Because only soil has the ability to make a tiny seed to a giant tree. And as we all are also made from soil, so this quality of growing only exists in us as we grow day by day since our birth. So we should learn that we can never destroy nature. Even the thing that seems invaluable to us can have the greatest power, and eventually we are the one who are going to suffer. I have seen and heard that many god and goddess uses the animals as their savari. Even a small mouse or a big elephant and even a dog was used as savari. So what should we learn here is that our life without animals, without nature, without plants and trees is worthless. You may spend a lot of money on your room's ACs and refrigerators just to maintain that standard quality of life. But at the end of the day, we all know that nearby park or the closest bank of the river is going to make us feel better because of the trees and loving arms of nature, rather than that AC room which is actually making everybody suffer.